If you want to run two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, one for personal use and one for business, today I'll show you the fastest and safest method. No risky apps, no data loss. First, let's confirm whether your phone supports dual apps or app cloning. Samsung. Settings. Advanced features. Dual Messenger. Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco. Settings. Apps. Dual apps. Realme, Oppo. Settings. Apps. App Cloner, clone apps. Vivo. Settings. Apps. App clone. Now, open the Dual Apps section and find WhatsApp. Turn on the toggle. The phone will create a second WhatsApp icon with a small clone mark. Open it, tap Agree and Continue, enter your second phone number. Done. You now have two separate WhatsApp accounts running on the same device. And that's how you run two WhatsApp accounts in one mobile without any risk.